Something a bit different today. I'm making a depth stop for my cheap drill press. The one that came with it was made out of plastic and doesn't always stop in the same place. Not good for making repetitive parts. So I wanted to make this easy to make. So instead of cutting this out of a disc or a piece of round stock, I decided to go for a collar. And this collar is for a shaft to hold on pulleys, belts, or what have you. This one has 1.5 inches inside diameter, but what I need is 1.573, which is the same diameter as the inside of all of my round rings that hold the magnet on the tachometer. So I already have a boring bar that's already set to size. Now, to give this a little extra clamp in one direction, I put a washer on each side to space the clamping just a little bit out, so it's not going to be exact on the needle. The needle's going to deflect a little bit. So if I'm within 10 thousandths, I'm golden. This part is not that critical. The only thing I have to do after this is add a piece of stock to the outside for the stud to go through, the threaded rod that goes through for the stop itself. The original was made out of disgusting plastic, and the rule on it was a piece of tape that has long since lost its numbers, and it's basically useless. It's just a strip of tape stuck to the side of the drill press. So I've gotten some cheap rules off of eBay for about $3 to cut a section off and glue in its place, and they will never go bad. If you bought it from me, we stand behind it.